Hello guys, this is Ashokar Rahman, a Google Merchant Center expert. This merchant is suspend for a website need improvement issue. I am showing you fix website or online need improvement issue. Your website should have domain name, match, upload the domain name, enter the website shouldn't have any broken links. Your website shouldn't contain any placeholder text. The product details and category should match those that you provided your product data. Your website shouldn't contain generated information and shouldn't miss the information about product. So we have the Apple option, and how can we fix? Google have the link there. If I click there, you can find the option how to fix. Okay, but after I fix this merchant, again I make a video for you, so still wait for the next video. I will approve this merchant 100% guarantee, and after approve I will join in the video. Hello guys, this is Ashokar Rahman, a Google Merchant fixing expert. In my last video I showed this merchant was suspended for website need improvement issue. I was give 100% guarantee to my client that I can fix it. Okay, look, it's 14 November. The improvement issue is completely. We are glad to share have now and update your record. Okay, so let's see in account, reload, and look, there is no limited issue. There is limited 5 product and active product. Okay, and see all product are active. Okay, need attention. Look, there is no issue to fix. Okay, we have story and see there is limited and 5 product is still active now. Active for free listing, active for shopping, both are active. Okay, okay, it will be active. So if you want to fix a Google Merchant Center suspension issue, misrepresentation issue, website need improvement, I can fix a Google Merchant suspension issue. In the below I give my WhatsApp number, or you can see on my screen WhatsApp number. You can contact with me. And in website need improvement issue, I give 100% guarantee that I can fix. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.